Hashtag Rise and Shine. From Kylie's video fastest to hit 1 billion views on TikTok, the hashtag Rise and Shine has become the fastest to hit 1 billion views on TikTok. Days after Kylie Jenner sang Rise and Shine for daughter Stormi in the Kylie Cosmetics office tour video, several TikTok users created their own content using the hashtag. Ariana Grande and Miley Cyrus had also posted videos of themselves singing Rise and Shine on Instagram. Monsieur Amber criticizes Instagram policy on female nipples with Mo Mao's edited pic. Actress Amber Heard on Sunday criticized Instagram's guidelines that restrict showing female nipples by posting an edited picture of actor Jason Momoa in which his chest was visible. This picture meets Instagram's nudity guidelines and careful gender policies, she captioned Momoa's picture. Amber's post comes a month after Instagram censored the original picture in which her nipple was visible. All Aadhaar-social media linking cases moved to Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has decided to transfer all cases related to linking of social media profiles with Aadhaar to itself. Facebook had filed a plea seeking transfer of the cases to the Supreme Court as there were different petitions listed in various high courts. The court asked the center to submit its report to check social media misuse in January. Fortnite creator Epic Games becomes Harvard Business School case study. Epic Games Inc., the American video game company behind Fortnite, has become a Harvard Business School case study. The case study focuses on the company's introduction of Epic Games Store, an online video game retailer launched in December 2018. Epic Games was founded in 1991 by computer programmer Tim Sweeney.